Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount. As you see, this is my online store, and since the for this tutorial, I offered free shipping for orders over $50. And as you see here, the shipping method is free shipping for orders over $50. The shipping cost is free and nothing added to the total order. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the online store that you want to offer free shipping over a certain amount on, click on this edit website button. Once you're inside your website editor, switch to the management store area or the store management area. Now go to settings and click on shipping. Now next to shipping, click on create zone in order to create a shipping zone area, for example. Or let me explain you how the shipping system works on Hostinger website builder. Here Hostinger offers shipping or separates shipping first by shipping zones. For example, let's say you ship only in the US and Canada. So here you should call your first shipping zone United States. Then click on add country and look for the correct shipping zone or country. In my case, it's the US because I've called it United States. Here you can also uncheck or check some states within the US. For this video, I will keep it all US. Now click on save. Now we've created a new shipping zone, which is the US. Now inside this shipping zone, you can offer shipping options. And by shipping options, which is a shipping method or a shipping, a shipping option means a shipping method. By default, Hostinger creates you this regular shipping, which is free. Now let's see how to create a free or how to offer free shipping for orders over a certain value or amount. Let's say $50 on your online store. So next to shipping options, click on add option. A new window pops up. Here, give your new shipping option a name. For example, free shipping. And here I will call it orders over $50. And here for the shipping rate, I will keep it empty in order to have because it is free shipping. Now click on add condition in order to set up this condition of offering free shipping only for orders over $50. Click on add conditions and you will see the rest, which is condition type. Since we are talking about for orders over $50, you should go with order price as the condition type instead of order weight. Here you have the minimum order price and the maximum order price. Before start filling the info here, you should read and understand this part. The lower bound of the condition, which means the minimum order price, is inclusive, and the upper bound, which is the maximum order price, is not inclusive. So you should set conditions according to this example. 0 to 5, this means that starting from 0 to 4, because 5 is not inclusive, they are meeting this first condition. Now, if an order is exactly $5, instead of using this first method, they will meet this. Yes, a $5 order will match the second condition, which is shipping for orders between $5 and $10, because here the $5 is inclusive here and not inclusive here. I hope that was clear for you. Now, in our case, for orders over $50, I will, since it is over $50 and not starting from $50, here instead of $50, I will go with $51 because the lower bound condition is inclusive. So this means that 51 is will start meeting the free shipping condition because here the order over $50 and not starting from $50. You can set orders starting from $50, and here you should write $50 because starting from $50 should be inclusive in the lower band. I hope that was clear for you. Since I am offering free shipping for orders over $50, over means starting from 51. I should start with 51 and leave this empty because I am offering free shipping for orders over $50 and up. Now click on add, and as you see I have now the free shipping option below the regular shipping, and here since I have a condition of $50 and up, I should offer a paid or a regular shipping for orders starting from $0 up to $50. So click on add option. Let's call it, for example, regular shipping, which will cost, for example, $10. And this regular shipping is for orders up to $50. Now click on add conditions, and I will go with order price as the condition type, and here I will start from 0 up to 51 and not $50 because the upper bound is not inclusive. So this $51 is not inclusive, is not included in this regular shipping because we are offering up to $50. This means that orders or $50 orders should meet this paid option. And here, since if I go with $50, since this maximum order price is not included, this means that from 0 to $49 will go with free shipping. But here I am offering for up to $50, so I will go with 51 and click on add. And as you see, now I have this regular shipping, this default one. I can delete it now that I have other shipping options. And as you see, now I have free shipping and regular shipping. Now let's test this shipping condition directly from my online store. So this is my website. Go to shop. Let's test with this first. Let's empty my shopping bag. Let's test with this watch with over $50. Add to bag, check out. Now that the subtotal is over $50, or since this order is over $50, if for just US, let's add a state in order to see the available shipping methods. As you see, because this watch is over $50, the shipping method shows the free shipping. And as you see, it is free, and it is also here, and no shipping cost is added to the total value. Now let's test, or let's redo this with a product that is below $50. This is a $40 watch. Click on add to bag, check out. Let's select the US first. Here, let's explain you this. Let's refresh. Here, even here, I still see the regular shipping method, even though I've deleted it, because we are talking about a different shipping zone, which is Morocco, and not the one we worked on, which is the US. So this is be careful here, or not be careful. So pay attention that the each shipping zone selected here will offer its own shipping methods. So if you see a regular and you work on the regular one on a different shipping zone and you don't see changes here, this means that you only need to work on the correct shipping zone. So let's go with US. Since this is just a $40 order, select a state to start seeing the shipping methods. And here, because this order is below $50, I can see the regular shipping, or I can see the free shipping, and the regular here the shipping costs $10, and it is added here in the total order value. I hope that was clear for you. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.